Welcome to CVTV. My name is Brady Hicks, and today we're joined by Tectonic's EVP, Tony Gualtieri, as well as Edward Frawley, the SVP of Tectonics. What's going on, gentlemen? How are you doing today?
Very well, Brady. Thank you.
Hey, Brady, thank you much.
Tony, let's start with you. Can you tell us a little bit about what Tectonics does for the telecommunications industry?
So Tectonic is a multidiscipline professional services firm providing engineering, site acquisition, and construction oversight for the different carriers, broadband providers, fiber providers, vertical asset managers. We provide services ranging from environmental, structural, geotechnical. Most of the services are in-house. Tectonic's technical goal is to maintain a high level of technical expertise while providing a responsive and personalized services to all our telecommunication clients.
Thanks, Tony. Ed, if you could maybe talk about how all of this applies to telecommunications deployments.
Right, so the unique thing about Tectonic is we're 500 employees. We can take any project today, cradle to grave. Typically, we do either brand new builds or we do co-locations or upgrades, something along that line. As Tony had said, we work for all the providers, wireless, broadband. We have a very wide spectrum of clientele. We've got 35 years experience doing this, so we've got a proven track record. I think the nice thing is because we bring everything into place, we bring in site acquisition, we bring in the leasing, we bring in engineering, we bring in permitting, we bring in geotechnical, we bring in structural, we bring in environmental, we bring in construction management. So we're kind of the go-to firm for this type of work.
Well, 35 years is certainly a long time to be involved in this, and it's quite an accomplishment for the company. Tony, if you could, talk about the project management objectives as far as all this goes.
So our project management philosophy really gets boiled down by our slogan, practical solutions and exceptional services. We empower our project management team to really take the project all the way through from cradle to grave, providing staffing, whether it's in their office or the multitude of offices that we have throughout the country, to be able to deliver a good product with the proper resources that we can provide A&E services, site acquisition, construction oversight, really providing a custom service to the individual project.
And you talk about custom services, Tony. Is this something that can handle small and large projects alike?
So the way we are set up nationally, we're able to handle small and large projects, and we have multiple offices assisting with the production to maintain schedule and maintain the budget as set by the clients.
No doubt that's a lot of sites and projects, Ed. How do you maintain quality control through all this?
So the nice thing is, Tony and I are empowered. We allow our direct reports to be empowered to take over the whole quality and control issue. Within Tectonic, we've got some really awesome talent, what we call our senior management team, and they put together a QA, QC program. A lot of it has to do with peer reviews, quite honestly. Perfect example is if one of my offices is working on something, Tony's office will review it and vice versa. And that helps. You know, the big things are always understanding what the client's needs are, right? That's really big, and we pride ourselves on that. Next would be making sure that you have the proper design criteria for the job that you're doing and making sure you adhere to that. Always have to have a use of current standards, right? That's kind of important. Technical acceptability of the product that you're putting out, right? Big thing is it's got to be able to be constructed, right? At the end of the day, nobody wants us to design something that can't be constructed. So you get a lot of client buy-in. And then probably the most important thing I think Tony and I both say is, we have to meet the schedule. And not only do we like to meet the schedule, we like to exceed the schedule and bring it in under budget for our clients.
Well, that sounds like a comprehensive quality control plan. Tony, did you have any parting thoughts?
Yes, Brady, it's important to understand that Tectonic's project management team is empowered to go within the company and bring out the experts for the needs, for example, structural, geotechnical, environmental, or anything else that the project really needs, to make sure that we are bringing the best to the table so we can achieve the budgets and the deliverables that the clients are looking for.
All right. Well, thank you so much for the time today, guys. It's been a real pleasure. And if any of you watching are interested in Tectonic, you can just go to www.tectonicengineering.com, or you can call 1-800-829-6531. And don't forget, while you're online, to check out all the other great CVTVs that are available by visiting channelvisionmag.com. For CVTV, I'm Brady Hicks.